What up? So it's your boy Southern Smoke back at it again today. Y'all tuning in with the boss himself. So y'all already know it's about to be something epic when y'all see that yellow cornmeal right there. So today we're gonna be making some cornbread my style. So what we're gonna need is we're gonna have some yellow cornmeal, some baking powder, just some salt, milk, and right here we have some sugar, flour, and vegetable oil. And towards the end, you're gonna need some butter to put butter on your. So let's go ahead and get all our ingredients together. So to start off this recipe, we're gonna go ahead and put all our dry ingredients in there. So for our first ingredient, we're gonna put 1 cup of yellow cornmeal. Just gonna put you 1 cup of flour in there, a ½ teaspoon of salt, we're gonna go 3 tablespoons of baking powder, 2/3 cup of sugar, now that we have all our dry ingredients in the bowl, we're gonna go ahead and just get them mixed in really good together. You want to ensure you don't have any lumps in there and that cornmeal get mixed all through there. Okay, now that it's all mixed up, we're going to start adding our wet ingredients. We're going to put our one cup of milk, 1/3 cup of oil, and 1 egg. Now we're going to mix in all our wet ingredients. I however use a hand mixer to make up some cornbread, jiffy cornbread, but today I decided I ain't gonna make no jiffy cornbread. But y'all go see why. When you see the next video, you go see why I was making up my own cornbread. And you'll be like, man, boss is killing it. So we'll grab us a nice pan and we're just gonna spray it down. With some non-stick, we're gonna spray it down with some non-stick spray. We're gonna put this in the oven for about 15 minutes on 350. Okay, let's go ahead and check on our cornbread. That looks pretty ready to me. So we'll go ahead and take it out and we just go put some butter across. Let me grab some butter. And you just want to take some butter across your hot cornbread. That's pretty much how simple and easy it is to make some cornbread. Not to knock on Jiffy, but this is the backyard. Hey, I like this way better than the Jiffy box. So I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in, watching me make this nice fluffy cornbread. I can't wait to dig in. Know you guys wish you had a piece today, but maybe another day. Thanks for tuning in to my channel. Be sure for your new viewers out there, go ahead and push that subscribe button and push that bell so you can get that daily notification of my uploads. Go over to my Instagram and check me out at Southern Smoke Boss. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out.